Hi, my name is Lawrence Rosenbaum. I'm with Toshiba Business Solutions. I'm a member of the Global Trade Chamber. Today's seminar was very informative about, credit repair and getting funding for real estate investment. All of the events that we attend here at the Chamber is a great way to network with other business owners and just people of all cultures and business backgrounds.
I'm Adrian with Supreme Credit Repair. We specialize in credit repair and credit building services. This was a great event today. Had a lot of good people turn out, and I'm looking forward to coming to the next one.